Inside this factory, powerful ingredients come together to create a traditional laddu, crafted for those who seek daily joint comfort through food.
Quality begins long before the factory doors open.
Every grain is checked before it earns its place.
Natural binders give structure to traditional recipes.
Pure fat becomes the silent carrier of flavor.
Measured balance defines consistency at scale.
Careful loading protects quality before the road begins. Stability on the move preserves consistency.
Every ingredient now travels with purpose.
Distance shortens as production draws closer. Modern facilities give traditional methods a larger scale. Precision starts even before unloading begins.
Controlled environments protect raw integrity.
Verification keeps the process accountable.
From this point on, everything moves inward.
Before processing, surface impurities are removed.
Human judgment still plays a critical role.
Lightweight debris is separated through controlled airflow. Natural binders are prepared with equal care. Only cleaned ingredients move forward.
Heat is introduced carefully, never rushed. Roasting develops depth through precision. Texture is defined at this stage. Cooling stabilizes texture before the next step.
Prepared components wait in balance.
Transformation begins when elements come together. Natural sweetness becomes the binding force.
Structure forms without overpowering texture.
Balance is achieved through controlled motion.
From many parts, one consistent body emerges.
Precision molds each piece to perfection. Cooling locks shape without losing natural texture.
A finishing touch enhances both look and feel.
Automation ensures consistent quality. Automation guides the final steps before hands intervene.
Final human checks refine machine accuracy. Texture reflects careful balance.
Stability prepares products for testing. Traceability is built into every batch. Only verified batches move ahead.
Testing begins with careful sampling.
Consistency is verified piece by piece.
Internal structure tells the real story.
Cleanliness is confirmed before release.
Only cleared batches move to final handling.
Protection begins at the final stage.
Storage maintains readiness for distribution.
The product prepares to meet its destination.
And this is how modern factories produce traditional laddus from start to finish.